positive affirmations work always, and affirmations with starting I am, changing your thinking. In this video, I want to explain why I am affirmations not working very well and how to fix that. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. A positive affirmations is an amazing tool in changing your own thinking patterns. If we want to change our lives, we have to start within ourselves first. And the law of attraction states that like attracts like. Like attracts like. It simply means that you have to become what you want to attract. I will give you here a few examples. Let's say you want to attract your soulmate, your love, your ideal partner. And you keep looking. You're going on to that date site. You're going to cinema or to gym and you're trying to meet them, but it looks like that more you want something, the harder it's to get. To attract love, the first step is what you have to do is let go. It's just don't be obsessed about this idea and stop looking everywhere to find it. Just simply believe and trust that when the time is right, your ideal partner and soulmate will come into your life. Have faith. Concentrate more on yourself. Take care of yourself and keep yourself busy. Spend some time with you. Learn a new skill. Start reading a nice book. Go to the gym. Go with friends. Go to a nice restaurant to eat a meal. Focus more on yourself. And each day, start with affirmations. Affirmations works like a magic. But you have to know how to use them in the right way. Here I will explain to you. The right time to use affirmations is in the morning or in the evening, just before you're going to bed or when you're waking up in the morning. It's enough to use affirmations from 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Affirmations won't work straight away. You have to give time. The time is 21 days, it's 3 weeks. You won't see any results before that. So you need to keep repeating the same affirmations for at least 3 weeks. Each day, morning and evening. Follow these instructions, what I'm giving to you. It's really important to make them work. For the best results, repeat these affirmations out loud. You can write them down if you want. When you're listening and when you're repeating those affirmations, it's not enough just to repeat, I am a millionaire, or I am rich, I am healthy, I am abundant. Try feel that feeling and emotion on how would you feel if you were abundant, rich, and healthy. And try to believe that this is a reality now. Here it comes to a quote. Fake it till you make it. It means keep repeating the same lie over and over again, and it will become a reality in your mind. You will start believing it. Choose the right affirmations for you. If you want to create wealth, use wealth, prosperity, and abundance affirmations. If you want to attract your soulmate, for example, use love, self-confidence affirmations. To attract positive things and positive circumstances into our life, First, we have to change our inner talk. By changing our inner talk, each day we're reprogramming our subconscious mind. And our subconscious mind, when it has been reprogrammed, look for ways and attract the things into your physical reality that you keep saying over and over again. If you keep saying to yourself at least for 21 days that you are successful, your subconscious mind after 21 days will pick up this as a new belief, and it will look for ways how to make this happen. We all have been gifted by the God's creation, and we can create with our minds an amazing life for ourselves. Start each day with positive affirmations and change your inner self-talk. Each day is a gift. Use it well.